If you work on the student billing side of things in Populi, you may find yourself in a situation where you've set up your tuition schedules and you've created your fees and you have your fee rules all set up and ready to go. And students start enrolling in courses, and that triggers pending charges on those student accounts. But then late in the game, you realize you made a mistake with the setup of your tuition schedule. Either there's a dollar amount that's wrong, or you need to change the credit range, or it could be a change with a fee. There could be a fee amount that needs to change. So you're in a situation where you've already got a bunch of pending charges that are sitting on student accounts. So you need to be able to go and make a change to the fee or a change to the tuition schedule, and then trigger a refresh for an entire term. So that you don't have to go student by student and recalculate charges that way. You do have the ability to trigger a term-wide refresh of charges like that, and I want to show you how to do it. After you log in, you go to the financial section of Populi. You'll be in billing, and current you'll go to by term. And you'll be on the summary. The summary allows you to select a term at the top of the page. So select the term that you want to view and that you want to refresh charges for. And you can even use the filter here at the top of the page to filter the list further. So if you want to filter the list down to only those students that have a particular fee or have a particular tuition schedule, and you want to limit the people that you are refreshing charges for, you can do that using that filter. Once you are looking at the list of people that you want to refresh charges for, it's as simple as going up to the Actions button up in the top right-hand corner, and at the very bottom you'll see a Recalculate Term Charges option. So when you click on that, you're going to get a dialog box that opens up, and it just confirms that you want to recalculate all charges for the selected term and for the students that are visible in this report. So once you click OK, Populi will automatically refresh charges for those students, and so you'll then be able to go to their accounts and see those updated pending charges on those student accounts.